Okay, so some of y'all are asking how to do this. So I figured I can do another example with y'all, which is completely fine. So notice we have two 100s, okay? One's completely filled. So that gives me a clue that there's a whole number in the answer. But before I even get into that, because I don't want to sit here and try to guess what the answer is without figuring out what two numbers they multiplied to get the answer. So notice that there's orange and purple. There's a pattern. Now, let's figure out how many each of those colors have. So 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Okay, this is just one of them, but I'm going to check the next one just in case. Just 3 right here. I'd rather skip count by 10s first and then go to 1s. So 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Okay, it's confirmed. They each have 37. So I'm going to go ahead, click in here, and I'm going to put 37. I'm going to leave it as that, as a whole number for now. Now, how many times is 37 repeated? So I'm going to count them. And thankfully, they had them in a pattern for us. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, some of y'all might get confused on which number has a decimal. We have 5 different groups of 37. I know 5 is my whole number. I keep it as that. My 37 needs to be a decimal. Now, the way to tell apart to tell where your decimal goes is that this is in 100s, okay? These are in 100, so that means they're in the hundredths, okay? Remember, your 3 is the tenths. Your 7 is the hundredths. If this is 100 and it's all filled up, or if you have anything in 100, that means you need to go to the hundredths place. So you have 2 numbers behind the decimal. All right, awesome. So we have our equation. Great. Now our answer. Like I said in the very beginning, there's a whole one. So a whole number must be in the answer. Because I said that, that is true. You have one whole 100s block. You have one whole number. So you have your whole number, and you know there's a decimal behind that whole number because this one is not filled up. We got to figure out how many are in here so we can fill in the rest. So I'm going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. 85 is going to be behind my decimal. These leftover guys, don't worry about them. It's just showing you that they're not filled in all the way. So this is not a whole number. And that is how you do this assignment.